I'm still on my hunt for my vanilla vegan or plant-based protein powder, but I found this chocolate one. I've heard a lot of good things on it, good reviews, so we're gonna try it. It's plant-based protein Vega. It's protein with creatine. I do take creatine supplements on the side with water in the morning. But this has 30 grams of protein and 3 grams of creatine per scoop. It's creamy chocolate flavor, so I guess we'll try it out. Got my handy dandy water. Okay, first of all, the smell is horrible. I don't know why I keep trying to smell everything. Isn't that always a problem? Where's the scoop? I've heard if you put the lid back on, put it upside down, but the scoop sometimes comes to the top. No. I will say, the scoop seems a lot bigger than the normal ones. I don't know. Okay, let's add 1 scoop to the recommended 350 milliliters of water. I have my ball shaker thing in there, so just mix it on up. Bear with me. Seems to be mixing pretty good. Again, why do I keep smelling everything? I don't know. Okay. Cheers. Yep. I don't know. I mean, it's much better than the vanilla. It's chocolate, of course. Everything that's chocolate is better. But there's still like a weird, I don't know. Maybe I'm expecting and wanting too much, but it tastes almost like a chocolate covered leaf. It's plant-based, so what am I expecting? Maybe I'm expecting too much. But if the Vanilla Revolution plant-based vegan protein powder got like a 2 on 10, this would probably be like a 5 on 10 is what I'd give it. It's good. I mean, go try it for yourself. It's Vega Performance Protein and Creatine. Creamy chocolate flavor. I'll give it a 5 on 10, all right? Yeah, you definitely, you can taste the grass. I don't know. Not that these things are made of grass, but. All right, well, we've tried one. Here's another one. Thanks for hanging around, trying this Vega protein powder with me. Till next time, bye.